Good morning, children. This is Venkatachalam, your Science 2 teacher. Children, welcome to Science 2 class. Today we are going to discuss about virus, how they are discovered and their characteristics and structures and the types of virus. The virus is an ultra microscopic organism that exists almost everywhere on earth. They can infect the human being, animals, plants, fungi, and even bacteria. The discovery of virus that began in the end of 19th century in 1892. The Dmitry Ivanovsky is filtered the sap of a diseased tobacco plant. He showed that after the filtration, the filtrate remains infectious, and this infectious filtrate is not a bacteria. In fact, something smaller than bacteria. The Martin is visiting, and later it called a filtered infectious substance of virus. This is the discovery and considered to be beginning of the biological structure of virus. The virus is ranges from a 20 to 400 nanometer in diameter. So it needed electron microscope to study about the virus, because the virus cannot see a normal microscope. It is a ultra microscopic organism. The virus don't have a cellular structure. The genetic material of virus can possess either DNA or RNA. It is a genetic material encode the necessary protein which the virus act. This protein unique for each virus. It may be a double stranded or single stranded, and linear or circular. The next one is capsid. The genetic material is surrounded by a protein coat which is called capsid. It protects the genetic material. The structural subunit of capsid is capsule, which is made up of a protein coat. It is called capsomere. The capsomeres are arranged tightly together in a repetitive pattern to form a complete capsule. The capsule arrangement is made by a capsomere. The capsomere is a character of a particular type of virus. The capsid is together with enclosed a nucleic acid, and it is called a nucleocapsid. So the capsid also has introduce a viral genome into a host cell during the infection. The envelope is made up of a lipid which is present around a protein coat and will have a present or absent in virus and virion. The viruses are highly violent in nature. The viral, it means they are infectious lipid part of envelope. It is derived from a host cells, while the protein coats or part is coded by a virus genes. Certain protein molecules are present in a outside of the envelope, which gave the virus its a pathogenic property. The pathogenic means they are capable of causing the disease. Next one is characteristics of virus. The virus are not a free living organism. They need a living host cells for the reproduction and to carry on a metabolic process. And outside the host cells, they act as a non-living organism. This is called as a connecting between a living and a non-living organism. So the virus or infection agents may cause a fatal and cruel or mild diseases. There is no cure for a virus, but vaccination can prevent them from spreading. A virus may also have one effect on one type of organism, but a different effect on another. The human and animal intestine carry friendly the virus that help to protect against the dangerous bacteria, including that E. coli or Escherichia coli. The virus is capable in killing the bacteria. It is known as bacteriophage. So children, keep in mind it. The virus exhibit both living and non-living characters. So what are the living character of virus? They have a nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. It is a genetic material. It can replicate. They can multiply in a living cell of the host cells. They can attack in a specific host. They are living character of virus. What are the non-living characters? Virus, it can insert the material outside the host cells. Their lack of cell membrane and cell wall, and it is other cellular organelles are completely absent, like a ribosome and mitochondria. The virus can be stored in the form of crystal, so they can be crystallized. Children, based on that host, the virus can be classified into phytophages, zoophages, mycophages, bacteriophages. First one is a plant virus which will infect the plants. Such a virus are called plant virus or phytophages. Example, tobacco mosaic virus, cauliflower mosaic virus, potato virus. Then second one is animal virus or zoophages, virus which will infect the animals. Example, adenovirus, retrovirus, influenza virus. Next one is virus which infect or kill the bacterial cells. Such a virus are called bacteriophage. Example, D4 bacteriophage. The next one is classification of virus based on the shape. The shape of virus greatly varied. For example, rod-shaped virus or filamentous virus. Example, TME, tobacco mosaic virus. The brick-shaped virus. Example, box virus. Then bullet-shaped virus. Example, rabidovirus or rabies virus. Then spherical or round-shaped. Example, HIV influenza. And a tadpole-shaped virus. Example, bacteriophage, D4 bacteriophage. Next one is based on that envelope. The virus can be classified into two types: enveloped virus, non-enveloped virus. Presence of envelope and it is called envelope. Example, herpes virus. There is a no envelope, it is called non-enveloped virus. Example, papillomavirus. On the basis of genetic material present in the virus, it is classified into two types. One is RNA virus, another one is the DNA virus. The DNA virus is again subdivided into two: single stranded and a double stranded. If double stranded DNA present in virus, it is called double stranded DNA virus. Example is possibility of if DNA is present in a single strand form is called single stranded. The DNA virus, example, parovirus. The RNA virus, around 70% of virus can containing RNA as a genome. If RNA present in a double-stranded form, that is called double-stranded RNA virus. Example, reovirus. If RNA virus is present in a single-strand form, that is called a single-stranded RNA virus. Example, coronavirus. Next one is symmetry of virus. On the basis of symmetry, there are three types of symmetry are observed depending on the arrangement of capsids around the nucleic acid core or genome. They are classified into isohedral or cuboidal. Second one is helical. Third one is a complex symmetry. The isohedral symmetries are all cubical when the capsomes are arranged in a polygonal shape, that is known as isohedral symmetry. This shape has to have a corner of 20 sides and 30 edges. Most of the animal virus possess this type of symmetry. For example, herpes virus. The virus are helical when the capsomes are appear bind together to form a helical or cylinder. Like structure is known as helical symmetry. This structure is a hollow genetic materials are present inside it. For example, DMV or tobacco mosaic virus. And the third one is complex symmetry. Some viruses are more complex in structure. They do not have either isohedral or helical symmetry. They have several separate capsomere with separate shape and symmetry. Example, box virus. The best example of complex symmetry is box virus. The next one is the largest virus is known as megavirus. The diameter of virus is 400 nanometer. It is surrounded by an envelope and it is hexagonal in shape and it possesses a double-stranded DNA. At the same time, the smallest virus in the world is carcovirus. The diameter is 17 nanometer. It is a non-enveloped and isohedral symmetry. Normally, it possesses a circular single-stranded DNA. Okay, children, let's continue the remaining portion in next class. Take care. Bye. Thank you.